In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter Robinhood 1099 into TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is sign in to your TurboTax account, and from here you want to go to Documents over here, and then from Documents you want to go to Linked Accounts and click on Add an Account. From here on the very top, you should see Robinhood. As you can see, it says Robinhood Markets, but if you don't see it at the top, you want to search for it by name over here. Just type in Robinhood and click on it once you find it. Now, once you click on it, as you can see, it will ask you, and you can read all about how they protect your info, etc. And you can add in your 9-digit Robinhood account number and then your 11-digit document ID. And after that, you want to click on Get My Form, and you'll be able to basically get your form. You can then enter and get your 1099 from Robinhood to TurboTax. This is one way of doing it, but if you are inside your wages and income over here, or income and expenses, whichever one you're using, you can pick up where you left off, and you can go over here to your income and expenses. You want to look for investments and savings. You want to add/edit this one or start it, whichever one you have. You want to then answer, did you have investment income in 2024? So you want to do yes if you did. And then if you had any crypto income or losses, you want to, of course, answer yes or no over here as well. And let's say, I'm just going to quickly go through these, but of course you have to answer the situation that's, of course, relevant to you. Then you want to press continue, and from here, as you can see, again, it's the same screen as before. You can see Robinhood, click on it, and from here, again, you can put in your account number and your document ID, press Get My Form, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.